So this is debugging time. Uh, so worked with the AI agent as you have seen in my previous videos. Uh, the AI agent wasn't able to fix my AI agent or AI tools for students in the Apollo STEM Academy, right? So now I'm debugging right now. So so I'm going through all the codes right here and then working with the another AI tool, DeepSeek, right? So I'm working with them uh, to find out what is the issue, right? So I mean, I can go through all the codes right here. That is not feasible, and it's not feasible for my time to do all that because my time is valuable. Uh, so I'm going to work with the AI agent to see what is happening, right? I'm going to let him analyze it. so so it's saying the authentication requirement. So it requires this authentication, but real learning praise is doesn't match your authentic system. So it's saying that, and then also React app is trying to call that solution. So it gave me a solution, right? So I'm gonna say write a prompt fix using anti-gravity. Yeah. So now it's gonna give me a prompt, and then so I'm gonna use that prompt to have the agent fix it. So I don't know why the agent wasn't able to find this issue, uh, and then so I'm gonna give this prompt right here with all these codes, uh, and then maybe the AI agent can make something out of that and then fix it. If not, I would have to do this manually. Okay, so I'm going to put this prompt into anti gravity. And let's see what it says. No, let me play. So it's using those instruction and then trying to fix it. So it's grasping the core of the problem, which wasn't able to do that before. I don't know why. But the DeepSeek. So you see, I'm using multiple LLM to trying to come up with the answer. So DeepSeek is also pretty good for the some tasks. Uh, so so it's editing the index file. It has analyzed the. So I'm going to allow this conversation. So it's using up my tokens while it's doing that. You know, but if I work with this AI agent, it's using a lot of tools. Right now, I'm economizing also because now if I go to the DeepSeek, it's not going to require any tool. They're going to give me lots of token for free. So I'm going to use that resource, and then not only that, this AI tool wasn't able to resolve anything. So I had to go back to that use that tool, and not only it's useful, it's also free. So I am using my resources, token to build something in a low cost. So now it's probably going to deploy any second. Hmm. So let's see. So he asked me to run the npm dev. So there's an error there. Hmm. And I should be doing this with DeepSeek, but I don't know why I did this here. But I will do that and see. So it's going to fix that the error. I mean, it shouldn't be making mistakes, but it's making mistake. Uh, so it's installing npm. I mean, you should know how to do that. I'm surprised they didn't do that for this instance. Uh, so it's adding all that to fix that issue, right? And then why am I doing this? I'm doing this because there's a lot of back end that's involved with developing product, developing application. It's not that straightforward process, right? To do that when we are building complex project like this, multiple users, multiple backend, multiple API. So npm list wrangler, so it's doing all that. So I'm accepting all it wants to do. Those are all valid. Okay, so now it's once we run that again and then see. So I'm gonna run that. Okay. All right. So then I can test it on the this localhost. Okay. Hmm. This is Apollo STEM Academy API. Um, so it gave me that. Yeah, on the dev, and then I run the web also. So let's go and run the web. And and then same. So refresh that, and then let's look at that. It's local 5173, localhost 5173. Refresh. Network use host to expose is, so, yeah. So I'm going to open this page right here. Okay, now it's going to the dev place. Yeah, it says unable to fetch. So even in the local, it didn't work. So this is the API, and this is the web. So I had dealt with the CORS issue before. Now I'm dealing with this issue again. But now it wants me to push it to Git. Um, I don't know why it wants me to push it to Git, but that's what it is. And if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to do it manually, just like I did earlier. You know. Uh, but just to review what we built. So this is the working generation in a GitHub. This is the basic portion. I mean, I could probably set a link right here, and then connect this to the app. I guess probably embed this into the app. If everything doesn't work, that's my last option. Uh, but if not, this is the it's building right now. So it's built. So I'm going to go and hard refresh, and then hey, what's 2 plus 2? And it's calculating. Yeah, unable to fill the page. See, now I am done with this. I'm gonna have to go deeper for now. So this has been a part 5 or part 6 of this. This is painful, uh, but this is definitely useful tools to build the product. Uh, this Snatch, uh, every product manager, every developer, everybody has to go through this process. Not everything is going to be smooth sailing. Sometimes it's going to be stormy water. So this is one of those stormy water situation. So I'm going to stop right here, go a little deeper, and then come back to you when I finish this project. So I am Robin Pandey. I am product manager, solution architect,